Hey Garden Guardians, welcome to Angel Loves Garden. Peace and blessings to all. Let's get growing. Hey Garden Guardians, it's Angel aka Lily with Angel Loves Garden, and today it's time to harvest our potatoes. I think we planted them in March or February, I can't remember. But yeah, we have the purple here in this blue container, and then I believe it's the red potatoes here in this container. So I'm going to harvest what we got in here. Hopefully it's a good amount, and we're going to replant some. We're going to do the red potatoes first. Now, these things are heavy because I've been healing them up. Oh, we got a gang of red potatoes already. Look at that. Already got some. And there's more that like trying to grow. Got one already. See that? Little baby ones, we're gonna put those back in. This is the replant pile. They're rolling away. Rolling out the belt. That. They're just rolling out, y'all. They just rolling away. Come on back here. this is what we got for the red potatoes. Not too bad. I would hope I had more. There were a lot of little ones. I'm going to be replanting this over there. Let me show y'all. These little ones, we're going to replant those. I may even pull some of the little red ones off of the ends of those plants and replant those too. This looks like it for the red potatoes, y'all. See? Not too bad. Maybe a pound or two. That's not bad. It's cheaper than going to the store. Alright, let's see what else we got. I'm gonna put this soil back in the bed. And then I'll be amending this soil, putting some more fertilizer and stuff in it. And then we're gonna replant the little potato. Alright, so we're just gonna replant these little ones here. And see what we get for another harvest. Possibly. But I'm gonna put this soil back in and work in some amendments. Yeah, we'll work on trying to harvest those purple potatoes next. Let's go. Alright y'all, so this is what I'll be using. I'll sprinkle some of this Dr. Earth in and some of the Epsom salt. And that's just on that first layer to give a boost to the new baby potatoes I'm putting in there. So I sprinkled it in now. I'm gonna mix it up and then I'm gonna plant the babies. This soil, coco coir, is so fluffy and light. That's why I love it. It's easy for roots to grow. They don't get bound. It's even easy to like get roots out of it. If you have plants with like a really thick root system, because you just shake it right off of the roots and just keep going. Just mixing it up. Good. This is the first layer. Again, see that root? Throw it on out. A lot of times I'll put these in my funk brew, because you know, if it used to be a plant, oh, the moth got on my arm. What's that about? If it used to be a plant, then it's good. It has nutrients in it that can be beneficial when you use it in compost tea, which is what I call my funk brew. Alright, this little piece was a potato vine starting, so we're gonna leave that in there. Alright, loose. There we go. Even it out some. Let it settle. And we're gonna plant the babies. Okay, so we're gonna situate these. Just nestle them in. There's still ants in here, y'all. So we're gonna just have to deal with the ants best we can. They might not like that Epsom salt, so maybe that's why they're going crazy a little bit. Probably gonna sprinkle a little more soil on top of these, because I'm just trying to situate them in here. See if we can get them to start growing. Yeah, I think the ant's trying to escape because I put the Epsom salt in. Nothing really like salt, y'all, except for humans. So these ones that are harvested, I'm going to keep them just like this, dirty, for a few days so they can cure, probably for the whole week. at least for a few days before I try to use them and cook them. And we're going to water these little baby ones in, and we'll work on the purple potato harvest. A good way to amend soil, so it's already amended. Go ahead and mix it up. Now it's still on the part. Yeah, we can just, maybe that'll get rid of some of our ants too, y'all. Get some of this in. You gotta multitask when you're gardening or farming or whatever. You gotta do all this stuff at one time. Some days. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna work on the purple potatoes now. Y'all, it's a hornworm in there. Y'all see him? I didn't know hornworms like potatoes. I know that potatoes are nightshades like tomatoes and eggplant and peppers. And I've seen some eat my peppers, I've seen them eat my tomatoes, but never seen them on potatoes. This is interesting. So we're gonna get rid of him. Try to get them to the birds, and then we're gonna finish harvesting, pulling these up, and then we're gonna dump the bucket over and see what we got. We got potatoes. Y'all see these potatoes? They just falling out. Look at that. Woo! We got some potatoes. So these purple potatoes grow very well apparently. So we're gonna probably be growing more of them. I think we got more than or bigger ones. Look at them. There are ants in here. We got right many potatoes. Let's see what we got. Okay, y'all. These are the purple potatoes that we got. We got more of those, I think, than the red. And they are heavier, more dense feeling than the red. they're bigger potatoes. We're definitely gonna grow more of those. We're going to do the same thing. Replant. I had a few that were the babies. Not many, but a few of them. So we're gonna replant those. We're gonna amend the soil, start off with one level, and keep filling them up, just like we did for the first batch. This first batch here. Alright, so let me show you what we got total. So this is what we got for our total potato harvest. That's pretty good. I said probably about 5 pounds. Maybe a little over 5 pounds of potatoes. And that is what is up. I'm probably gonna plant more of these purple. I know we'll plant more of the purple, like I said earlier. And the reds. They did pretty good. So yeah, we're gonna do those. And my sweet potatoes just started taking off. Now that it's hot. So we have some regular store sweet potatoes. I didn't even wait for them to make slips. I just cut up the sweet potatoes and put them in here. And I put the variegated one here in here too. Just one slip of it to see what that's going to taste like. But like I said, they're constantly growing. So you can see that. And I didn't even use slips. All I did was threw the sweet potatoes in there. They didn't have eyes on them or nothing. But they're growing. And so I'm excited about that. And when it's time to harvest those, I will show you what they look like. Alright, so thank y'all for watching Angel Loves Garden. I think this was a great potato harvest. I have harvested more potatoes than this in the past. I had a really good harvest one year that was probably like half of this was filled. But this is a good harvest too. We're going to work on the second batch and keep on growing. Y'all stay blessed. Bye-bye.